Hello, hello! Magkoy Miss Das sa Radisson Blu. So, Canadian Shanghai Hotel is located at the heart of the city, just right beside SM City Cebu, like technically Lakwan Richard ni siya, from the hotel to SM and SM to the hotel. Now, what came as a surprise is Canadian birthday ay sa hotel. If you go over here, na mo the grand staircase, no, and then it brings you to this wide garden area, and you'll be happy to know that you can bring and tag along your fur babies here. And that garden is just beside the pool area side. Nasa pool bar there in the side, and you get the view of the Radisson Hotel. So that was the morning and the evening view. So this is the bar I was telling you about earlier, and this is the grand gidno, but it does look grand to me. It's a grand staircase leading up to the hotel lobby. So since gabi naman, the area is pretty empty. I think it's around 12 midnight while we were actually filming this video. So medyo tahimik, now. Although you can still check in at the hotel up until midnight. So if dito inyong late mo naabot from your flight, pwede hapon mo check in dito as late as 11 or 12 midnight. So muna mo room, we were at the 17th floor. We're on the 17th floor. So open na natong door for a quick room tour. So as you can see, pagsulay na mo na siya credit. So everything was already turned on. To the right, na siya cabinet for your clothes, and then extra slippers. Ako din giwear ang isa ka pair, no? And then beside the closet, na atay safety deposit box for your valuables. You can leave them there. Na by full-on mirror, and then a decent sized bathroom. There's no bathtub, pero it's huge. It's spacious enough. So money siya atong room. Now they should bench there in the area so you can put your stuff over there too. And my husband's already on the bed sleeping because he got tired. Kay init kaayong adlaw as in. So mo din siya among view from the 17th floor. So you can see the port area on this side, and then there's another hotel just right across. Kanang gamay-gamay lang siya. It's the Bay Front Hotel. You can also see the swimming pool from here. I also love it that they have this table over here so I can continue working. And for dinner, we actually decided to go back to SM City and visited their newly renovated food court at taas. So this is what we had for dinner. And met up with a few friends, Danny and David, for a cup of coffee. No, not really a cup, but for coffee anyway. And ta-da! Fast forward, it's breakfast. And so our room came with a free or a complimentary breakfast buffet. As you can see, it actually looks quite elegant, if I may say. And what I love about it is the like food choices, a lot of food options to choose from. So busog jud kaayo ming duha, no? There you go. If you're not a guest at this hotel, but gonna mo mag-breakfast ka pwede rin jud kaayo. I think you have to pay 1,288 per person for the breakfast buffet. And for dinner buffet, I think it's around 1,888, if I'm not mistaken. There you go. Lots and lots of food. Yum yum. So nice picture diri. Luag. Well, it's not that luag, but daghan kay siya og food choices. There you go. So after sa among breakfast, busog man kami, no? We decided to just chill. Dili sa ilang pool area. Wala lang, nagpahangin lang kami. The swimming pool is not that big, but for sure, ma-enjoy the happening in kids today. So, Moto, thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!